Coming into my first week, I was a little on the edge because I wasn't sure what to expect, especially the first day that I had to report for duty. You know, you face the gate with the security guard, which they're very nice people, but if you were any regular person, you would be a little frightened, especially at 7 in the morning. I'm Caitlin Nato. I'm currently at my semester internship. I'm a rising senior at Endicott College. My major is bioengineering. I'm currently at the Natick Soldier Research Center. It is a Army base, so we do have about 50 soldiers on base that test the new equipment that we are working on to increase quality of life for the people that are serving our country. So we do a lot of soldier research. I'm with the biological science technology team. I've also worked with the chemists in the chemical science technology team as well. Right now I am currently working on a fungus that's affecting the Army's defense tents. The Army switched to synthetic PVC materials for their tent, and they are still having fungus problems no matter where this shelter is set up. This fungus is the first colonizer, which then allows all the other colonizers, which then ultimately degrade the synthetic material. For my internship, since it is more biomolecular biological research, I got a lot of what I needed from our chemistry labs at Endicott and also the biology labs. They were basic chemistry 101 or biology 101, and the lab professors were always helpful, and they taught us, the basics for techniques in the laboratory. So that definitely helped when getting to here, because previously in the internship, I hadn't done much laboratory work. It was more on the engineering aspect of it. So I got to get into a little bit more of laboratory work, which was very exciting for me. At the end of the day, I think I could definitely see myself here, because ever since I've been in high school, I've definitely been interested in ROTC. I also do have family that's either been in the Army or been with the military. So it was a good experience. I knew that was coming my way.